guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a closet clean out. I'm going to be getting rid of some clothes, and I'm also going to be cleaning out some of my dressers, getting rid of like old clothes. And I do a lot of thrift shopping, so you get more for your money, and that's the problem. If you're not thrifting, I don't know what you're doing. Honestly, all my clothes are mostly from the thrift store. Welcome to my closet. Last night I did go through my closet a little bit. I have this closet and I have another closet. So I did go through both closets and I did pick out clothes that I am going to declutter and get rid of. And I also did the same thing to my dressers. Just thought I'd be 2 steps ahead from you guys. It's really hard for me to get rid of clothes because I have like this detachment issue where I want to keep my clothes for years and years and years and years until it piles up so bad to force myself to do this. So the first thing I'm going to get rid of is this cute little coat. I got this at the thrift store years ago. I only wore it maybe 3 times and I haven't touched it ever since. And last night I was looking at it like, oh, do I want to get rid of this? This is so cute. But then I'm like, I don't wear it. So what's the point of like hoarding it? In my mind, I want to keep it, obviously. I'm a hoarder. It has this cheetah print or leopard print. I can never tell the difference. But it has like that type of collar. It has these really cute little like leopard print or cheetah print like buttons on it. And then the sleeves have like all animal print on it. That's the first thing I'm going to be getting rid of. Bye-bye. Next up is this long sleeve top. It's honestly really long on me because I'm really short, so like it can pass for being like a dress. I love the color of this long sleeve top, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't wear it. I've probably wore it twice, maybe 3 times. Now it's just I don't ever reach for it, so I'm just gonna show you guys it up close. It's really cute. And it has like this little like ruffle in the front there. And at the back it has like the little opening with the little button there. I feel like I don't grab it ever, so it's time for it to go. Up are these short overalls. I have been fighting with these for years. And I just fought with them not too long ago when I did a try-on video, and I'm like, I don't like these. I don't like them on me. I just don't care for these anymore. The straps are annoying. These definitely look funny on me. I look like SpongeBob SquarePants when I'm wearing these because I'm so short. I don't want them anymore, so goodbye. Next up is this sweater. I actually got this not too long ago. But then I looked at the tag last night and it says Urban Kids. So this is actually a kid's sweater. And I had no idea it was a kid's sweater. So no wonder it didn't fit me properly. Like it's just really tight on the arms and it just looks too small. But it is a really cute sweater. Like I love that it's all ripped at the bottom of it and the sleeves are all ripped and the collar around it is all like ripped up. I'm gonna be getting rid of it. I wish I knew it was a kid's sweater before I bought it, but I didn't know that. Okay, next up is this long sleeve crop top. I got this years ago. I mostly worked out in it when I went to the gym, but now that I work out at home, I feel like I don't reach for this like ever, so I think it's time for it to go. I mean, I like the print on it and stuff, and it's nice and stretchy, but I don't reach for it. Felicia. Everything that I picked out of this closet and my other closet. So now I'm going to go on to my dressers. First thing I'm going to get rid of is this top right here. It's really cute. It's a type of top that could be worn like on your shoulders or off your shoulder. And in the front of it, it has like a tie-up and some buttons and a plaid top. It's really cute. But the thing is, I don't wear it. So it's time for it to go. I also have this really cute sequence like throw over. So this is what it looks like. It has like a lace and sequins on it. It's very sparkly. Like, this is so cute. I went through a phase where I was obsessed with sequins on clothes, so that's why I have this. But now it's like, I don't want it. I don't wear it. I wore it maybe like twice and it's just been sitting there. I just feel like it's just not me anymore. You can literally see everything because it's see-through. You can through it. So it was really hard to pair any top with it. Bye. Thing I'm going to be getting rid of is this tank top. It just looks like this. Has like holes in it. It's like all knitted. I forget what this is called. And it has tassels on the bottom of it. It's really, really cute, but I don't wear it. But with this, it's really hard to like wear anything under it without like having to wear like a bandeau over it or like a bra or something, and it just doesn't look good. So I decided I'm going to be getting rid of this. It's going. Next up is this little bandeau bra thing. It's really cute, but I don't wear it. I've probably wore it maybe like twice and I have not reached for it, so I'm going to be getting rid of it. And it's uncomfortable to wear. The last thing out of that drawer is this. This is like a bodysuit. It's really, really pretty. Don't get me wrong, I've worn it a few times. I've worn it to like the bar and the clubs and stuff. But ever since then, I don't wear it. I don't reach for it. And honestly, like hemming and hawing if I should get rid of this, because I honestly do like it. I think it's really pretty and it looks really cute. So I don't know. Put it in maybe. Next up, halter top. I've had this for years and it's honestly too small for me, and I just don't think it looks good on me anymore. I used to wear it all the time. Okay, next up is this Fortnite top. And it looks like this. So, I love Fortnite, still play Fortnite, but my ex got me this top like years ago and it's just like a bad memory for me, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Up is this cute little like corset tank top. I love the prints on it. It's really, really freaking cute. I've worn it a few times. But the thing is, like, this is not my style anymore. I've had this for years. It looks really cute on me, so I thought I would get rid of it. Okay, so I got a few more items that I'm going to be getting rid of. So next up is this top here. I've had this top for years. I do like the colors of it and the print and everything of it, but I don't wear it. I've probably wore it a few times and I just have not reached for it. So I'm going to be getting rid of this. I thought it was like a one piece at first, but it's not. It just looks like it. But it is really cute. It's just not my style anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of it. I have this, oh my gosh. This top gives me nightmares because it's literally freaking bubblegum pink. Like, I can't believe I own this. Like, I do not like pink. I don't like this color pink. I don't like any pink. It just, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe I own that. So I'm gonna be getting rid of this. I used to wear this years ago. Oh my, I don't like it. Ugh. It gives me goosebumps. Like, I'm honestly getting goosebumps on my legs. Like, that's how much I hate pink. This tank top, and I really like it. I don't know why I'm getting rid of it. My best work of doing tie-dye when I did tie-dye. Like, I freaking love this. And then me, I'm gonna I'm supposed to be getting rid of stuff, but I honestly think I'm gonna keep this because, like, I like it. Like, it's so cool. I have another one of those body suits, but this one is like an orange one. These are so cute, but I don't wear it. So I've worn this a few times. This is gonna be a maybe. This item I'm gonna get rid of is this tie-dye top. I actually made this. I wore it a lot, to be honest. I should actually keep this for my hair dye top. I actually only have one hair dye top that I've had literally since high school. It's my artwork, so how can I get rid of it? The back, I'm not a big fan of the back. Like, I feel like I could have like did a better job. I'm gonna keep this. I have to keep it. Like, why am I being like this? I have to keep this. Oh my gosh, I'm so funny. See, you guys, like, it's so hard for me to get rid of stuff because, like, maybe I'll wear it. No, I'll wear it. I'm gonna wear it. I'll wear it. Don't worry, I'll wear it. But then I don't wear it, and I just, like, hoard it, and it's, like, really hard for me to get rid of stuff. Look what I kept instead of getting rid of it. Like, Amber, what are you doing? Just get rid of it. I'm gonna keep this so you guys can't hate on me because this is very hard for me. I'm stressed because I'm getting rid of stuff and I don't like getting rid of stuff. So I know it's bad. I know. But hey, look what I did get rid of. See? I got rid of this. So anyways, guys, that is my closet clean out, my clothing declutter. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!